Hey guys, it's Marichu. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another BT21 Cooky merch haul video, unboxing video, and this is going to be the part 2 of the previous one that I did. So if you guys haven't watched that one, go check that one out. I really like the newest release of the BT21 merch. They now have like bags, what else, Tumbler, iPhone case. Also they've got blankets, so I decided to buy myself a couple of the merch, and obviously it's my biased Jungkook's BT21 character, which is Cooky, the pink tough bunny, and coincidentally I'm wearing a pink top, so yeah. So I've got here a massive box full of the merch that I bought, and I'm also gonna put the link of where I purchased these merch from. So yes, this is what the box looks like. It's got the plastic bubble wrap just to protect the stuff, and it's got this foam thingy. Oh god, I don't want to make a mess, but I guess I have no choice. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this slippers, applique slippers. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I believe this is a one size slipper, so just looking at it, it looks quite big. But anyways, I'm just gonna wear it like inside the house anyway. So this is what the slippers looks like. Oh my god, you guys, this is super adorable, and it feels so soft, and the quality is amazing as well. And it's got the logo at the bottom. I can't wait to wear these. So the next one is, I can't tell. So this is the wireless silent mouse. Yeah. When I saw this one, I was like, girl, I need to get my hands on those. Oh my god, you guys, this is what it looks like. I've been really wanting to buy a mouse for my laptop, and it's so nice that they've released something like this. So this is what it looks like. I'll just scroll up here, and Cooky's face. This is what the back looks like. So it already comes with the battery, and I just have to like pull this one, and this is the on and off button. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. So the next thing that I got is, I can tell this is the tumbler. I really wanted to buy a tumbler just so I could like bring to uni. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is what the box looks like, the packaging. And the actual tumbler. BT20, so it says here BT21. Let it snow Cooky. Yep. Ah, look at that, so cute. And at the bottom, that's what it looks like. Yes. It says on the description that it keeps your drink warm for up to 7 hours. Yeah, there you go. So this is the tumbler, which I can't wait to use. Well, I can't wait to use everything. So this is the, I can't really tell. It's wrapped with a bubble wrap. So I got myself 2 ring holder. These are the ones that I got. So this is the finger ring, and it's similar to the one that I already have. That's what the back looks like. This is what it looks like. It's a bit stiff at the moment, but once I get used to this, it's not gonna be hard to use. I also got another phone ring holder, which is this one. The reason why I bought two different styles is I wasn't really sure which one is good and is comfortable to use. Oh, it's so cute! Then it's got the sticky thingy at the back. So basically this is where you put your finger. Well, you can't really twist this one unlike the metallic one. And it's got this standy for your phone. So yes. I also bought a pajama set. This is what it looks like. I think I got the size extra small. This might be like fitted and size small might be a bit baggier, but I prefer like baggy pajamas. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. Oh, even for a size extra small, it's quite baggy, so if you're size small, then go for extra small. I think it's because this is a unisex pajama, like BTS members themselves wear these pajamas. I think they're trying to be more like open to both men and women, so yeah. The fabric is a bit thin, well, it's so soft. So this is the top. The original price for this is 59,901. This is what the bottom looks like. It's garterized, so you really don't have to worry about the sizing. The material is quite thin. I think they're more suited towards wearing them during spring to summer. Because in winter, I still prefer wearing fleece pajamas because it's warmer for me. So yeah. Anyways, I still love it. It's Cooky, so why not? It's BTS. And I also got myself a Cooky sleep mask. This has been around for ages now. This isn't one of the new release. Anyways, I still got myself one. Look how cute this sleep mask is. So this is what it looks like. Guys, it matches my top. Anyway, this is the sleep mask, and honestly it looks cute wearing it as a headband. I think we're down to the last merch. Yes, you guys. Yes, I know, I bought myself a Cooky bag. This is the Kumhong Fancy collaboration, the PVC shoulder bag. It comes with a the PVC material and like a sack bag inside. So okay, let me just show you guys the tag. And it's got this button, snap button, so you can always like take the sack bag out if you prefer this one out. And this is what the PVC on its own looks like, with Cooky's face and his signature. Oh, the signature is it? Okay, so the signature is at the back. You guys, it looks so cute. Personally, for me, I think I like to use this together with the sack bag. It actually smells funny. I think it's the PVC plastic material. But anyways, this is what the Cooky shoulder bag looks like. So that is it, guys, for my BT21 part 2 unboxing of Cooky merch. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know a lot of you guys really enjoyed my first one, my previous one, and I'm really thankful that you guys really liked that. So I decided to do another one featuring some of the newest release of the BT21 merch. So comment down below what you guys think of the merch. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!